So many athletes these days have foam rollers at home, not only using them in the gym. So if you can get hold of one, really it's a great piece of apparatus to have to use in your Pilates workout. You can do things like rolling backwards and forwards on the muscles here, getting a little bit of a bicep and tricep workout at the same time. But what I like this one specifically for is if you're feeling a little bit tight across your lower back, just in the hips here, that your sacrum's feeling like it's a bit out of place, that your whole hip joint is not working, you just roll it all the way back down and then take it just up underneath your sacrum and your pelvis, and then keeping your ribs and your hips pulled together. So you want that rib cage closure happening, pulling them right down, tightening up through the core, and then relaxing the rest of the body. So it just settles into the roller, and you can lie like this for 5-10 minutes and you'll get immediate relief. If you want to take it just a little step further, one of my favorite things to do when I'm in this position is taking it into toe taps. So from here, making sure your leg is locked off, keeping the ribs and hips pulled together so that you don't flex your lower back at all. You inhale away, exhale up, inhale away, exhale up, and do the other side as well. Do 10 on a side, that's the way to go. If you're feeling stronger, you can take your legs up to the ceiling, then keeping the ribs and the hips together, just bring the toes down to a 45-degree angle. You can hold onto the side of the roller, exhale, bring it back up, inhale, taking it away, make sure this is all tight here, and exhale up. And when you're coming off after your 5 minutes, just let yourself rest onto the mat. You'll feel like a bit of a pancake thing happening at the bottom here. Relax, enjoy it, and stretch it out.